everyone, so this room is the room 2658 in Adventure of the Seas. It's all the way in the back of the ship, so I hope you guys can check it out this tour and I hope you'll like it. This is a cabin room that is good for a family. Why? Because you can get 4 beds in one room. As you can see, this is how you will get it if you guys are more than 2 people. You can get the 2 rooms or 2 beds separated. I put it together because I'm only me, but if you come with more than 2 people, this is the part with the other bed. They will open it and it will slides coming down. So this room is perfect for a family of 4 or 2 or more than 2.